We all love the feeling of working at a neat and tidy desk. But as the day goes on, mess tends to pile up, making it difficult to stay focused. Introducing the Orbitkey Desk Mat, a clever solution to organize and optimize your workspace, helping you stay productive throughout the day. The desk mat creates a visual structure in your work area, allowing you to focus on the task at hand. Lifting the top layer reveals the document hideaway, helping you store loose papers and notes so they don't pile up around you. With a dedicated space for stationery and small accessories in the toolbar, you'll always have quick access to your work essentials, while the magnetic cable holder keeps your cable in place and always within reach. The soft and elegant vegan leather will transform any desk into a warm and comfortable workspace, providing a smooth surface to write on and use your mouse with ease. The Orbitkey desk mat is durable and easy to clean, ready to take on whatever the day brings and help you do your best work. Keeping your desk tidy throughout the day so you're always organised and ready for the next.
Hi, Charles here from Orbitkey. We're so excited to be back here on Kickstarter with our 5th campaign. We designed the desk mat to help you create a more beautiful and organised desk space, and it's even more valuable now with many of us working from home. All the preparation for mass production is done, but we need your help to bring it to life. So please, join us on this journey. We're grateful for your support now more than ever. On behalf of our team here at Orbitkey, thank you.